a very important question and a very simple question if you know the basic concepts of the layers of the retina. Let's see this question. The nuclei of which cell is not found in the layer of the retina indicated by arrow in the image? So instead of asking directly the name of the layer, they have asked you the cells. So an interesting way of asking the same question. Now look at this picture. First of all, do you remember how to name the layers? I always told you that you can easily see that there are two darkly pigmented layers. One is this and one is this. So you have the darker nuclei here. These are the nuclei. So this is also nuclear layer. This is also nuclear layer. And is this visible here? This is also nuclear layer. This is also nuclear. Can you see? Beautiful nuclei you can see. And therefore you can say that these are plexiform. This is also plexiform and this is also plexiform. So half of the work is done. We have got two nuclear layers, two plexiform layers. If they are asking you any of the layers, you can easily tell this is nuclear, this is plexiform. Now how to tell outer nuclear, outer plexiform, inner nuclear, inner plexiform? So for that you have to see which side you have choroid or which side you have RPE layer. If you look at this picture, so you can easily see we have got the single layer of the cuboidal cells here. So this is your RPE layer. Now because this is your RPE layer, is it visible here? This is your RPE layer. So this will become your outer nuclear, outer plexiform, inner nuclear and inner plexiform. This is also done. Now suppose they are giving you a section where this is not seen. Suppose RPE is not seen or the choroid is not seen, then what you are going to do? Then see this. Then what you can do, you can see the next session where you are seeing these segments. You are seeing these segments here. So these are actually the outer segments and the inner segments. These are actually the outer segment and the inner segment which are present in the rods and cones. So by this thing also you are sure now that you are dealing with the outer side on this. So this is your layer of rods and cones. Then you have got the outer nuclear layer. In the outer nuclear layer, what you are getting? In the outer nuclear layer, we are getting actually the nuclei of the rods and cones, outer segment and the inner segment of the rods and cones, and then nuclei is going into the outer nuclear layer. Then you have got the outer plexiform layer. Then you are getting this inner nuclear layer. Now inner nuclear layer mein which nuclei you have? Always remember the hub. In the inner nuclear layer we have got the hub of cells. Now what is this hub here? We have got H for horizontal cells, then you have got A for amacrine cells, and we have got B for bipolar cells. Very easily you can remember. We have got hub of cells, we have got H for horizontal, then we have got A for amacrine, and we have got B for bipolar. Now they are saying that which is not found here, which are not found in this layer: bipolar, amacrine, horizontal or ganglionic. So very clearly the answer is ganglionic. Now this is very easy once you know the layer, because obviously the nuclei of the ganglionic cell will be present in the ganglionic cell layer, not in the outer nuclear layer or the inner nuclear layer or the plexiform layer. The nuclei of the ganglionic cells will be present in the ganglionic cell layer. So even if you are not able to identify the outer nuclear, inner nuclear, then also you can easily answer this question, because the nuclei of bipolar cells, amacrine cells and horizontal cells are present in one layer, while the nuclei of the ganglionic cells will be present in the ganglionic cell layer. So this question could be solved by the common sense also. I hope this is very clear. Apart from this aspect, you should be able to tell which layer also. Just see the orientation and go for the question. Alright. Now let's see the next one.